So all the governments and municipal corporations are not becoming successful on the waste management, and the basic reason is the waste is not properly segregated. Now you see, this is the waste which is thrown on the landfill site of Gazipur, and since it is not segregated in the initial stage, it is accumulated there, and now after decades, after 30, 40 years, 50 years, you are segregating it, and it becomes very difficult once you are mixing the waste. Now this is at the landfill site. The same situation, same picture is at the household level. At the household level also we are not segregating the waste, and you see whatever waste we are generating, all this waste is coming here and thrown here. So it is improper segregation of the waste. So as I told you that there are three important components in the waste. First one is, I'll just show it this side. First one is biodegradable waste. The second one is non-biodegradable waste, and third one is inert waste. So when you are sweeping the road, the waste which is generated, it is called as inert waste. It includes silt, it includes soil, it includes construction waste, construction debris, dirt and garbage. So this is called as inert waste, which takes lot of time in the decomposition. The second one is non-biodegradable waste, which include plastic, which include paper, which include metals, which include textile, and all this waste is called as non-biodegradable, but it is dry waste which can be directly used in the electricity generation. And first one is 55% waste, which is biodegradable nature, which can be converted into compost. So 55% biodegradable waste, 35% non-biodegradable and dry waste, and 10% is inert waste. So if we can segregate this waste at the household level, it becomes very easy to manage the overall waste. But whether the households are willing to segregate this waste, and if they are not willing to segregate waste, they can hire some person. So the municipal corporation will hire one person who will go and just collect the plastic, and who will go and just collect the non-biodegradable waste. The another person will go and he will collect the kitchen waste or biodegradable waste, and the third person will go and collect the inert waste in that particular area or ward or village. So likewise, this waste will be properly kept in different places. Three important types of waste are there. One is biodegradable, which will be kept in proper place. The second one, non-biodegradable, will be kept in another place, and third one is inert waste, which will be kept in another place. And there will be scanning, there will be app developed. So those who need some inert waste for filling up the low-lying areas, they will take it, and the non-biodegradable waste will go to electricity generation, and in biodegradable waste can be converted into compost. So from our side, the Society for Environment and Sustainable Development propose this kind of structure where all these different types of waste is separately collected.